We've had very good deliberations, both from government and the participants. I'm happy with the presentation of different government agencies and the issues and concerns raised by the business people based here, especially in lines of coffee, taxation and housing. And indeed, I'm looking forward where there are gaps, where government has gaps. The government officials have heard, have listened. They are willing to adjust if it concerns any laws that are affecting our traders, as guided by the Chief Whip and earlier by the Deputy Speaker, Thomas Tayebwa. We are willing to make any adjustments in terms of policy as legislatures so that we can suit the needs of our business people and also encourage the good relationship between the two countries, UK and Uganda. And we are looking forward for the 14th UK-Uganda Summit, Trade Summit. We shall be there as we have turned up for this one. Thank you very much.